Hi, Mr. X with glossary term rounding. We talk about round numbers all the time. In round numbers, and sometimes we confuse rounding with estimation. A lot of estimation involves rounding, admittedly, but rounding and estimating are not exactly the same. Taking values to bulk approximations based on place value, yeah, that's a good definition, or approximating a number to the nearest multiple of some handy number. We do that all the time. In fact, we round speed limits in the United States to the nearest multiple of 5. Now, if they were always multiples of 10, we would think of that more as rounding. But we can also round to the nearest 5. That's called rounding as well. We don't have any speed limits, at least I haven't seen any, posted in the United States for 42 miles per hour or 37 miles per hour. No, if you want to go 53, you can go 53 miles per hour, but it'll be in a 50 mile per hour zone or a 55 mile per hour zone or more, hopefully not less. Let's look at some images of large crowds. Now, would we round the number or would we estimate the number if we wanted to guess how many people are in these crowds? Well, we would estimate. And as we estimate, we would probably pick a round number. But rounding and estimating are not exactly the same thing. How much do you weigh? Now, if you're a lady, it's not polite for me to ask. And you don't have to answer. I'm on the other side of the internet. So you don't have to answer how much you weigh. But whatever number you came up with would be rounded. Because chances are nobody weighs exactly 170 pounds. Not to the nearest 100 millionth of a pound. So nobody weighs exactly 170 pounds. You round it. Some people round their weight to the nearest pound. Some people to the nearest half pound or even quarter pound. I never saw that myself because one good healthy meal, or the inverse of a meal, and one can gain a fair amount of weight or lose a fair amount of weight, and that's all we need to say about that. MrXmath.com